Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Today we're going to show you how to change where OBS saves videos so you can organize your recordings exactly how you want. I'll walk you through the simple steps to select a new folder or drive for your OBS recordings. Step 1. Open OBS and click on Settings in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then go to the Output tab and look for the Recording section, where you'll see the current recording path showing the folder where your videos are being saved. Step 2. Click on the Browse button next to the recording path and select the folder or drive where you want OBS to save future recordings. This is useful if you want to save files to a faster SSD, a larger hard drive, or simply a different location for better organization. Step 3. After selecting your new folder, click Apply and then OK to confirm the changes. From now on, all your new recordings will automatically save to this new location, keeping your files exactly where you want them. Thanks for watching Techie Dialogue, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more OBS tips and tutorials.